Hello and welcome to the Drafting Dynamo. This is the second tutorial for CATIA V5. In this video, we will see basic tool of part design in CATIA. So please like, follow and subscribe my YouTube channel for more. So you can see this is a CATIA interface and this is a start icon. So we will click on the start icon. This is a part design, sheet metal design and generative shape design. You can edit also. I have told in my last video. So please like and follow and watch my last video also. And we will click on part design. So it is asking for the part one. Press OK. You can see this is a CATIA interface and we can customize also from here. Customize. Okay. Command, toolbar, restore position. Press OK. So like your position will be restored, and if any tools is hidden, so it is also showing their toolbar. So first we will sketch. After that the sketch will be converted into 3D through the part design. So we will click on sketch, select the plane that you want to select, that you want to draw on which plane. Okay, so this is the uh, sketch toolbar. So just I'm telling you, this is a continuous line. Like if you will click on this, so you can take multiple line with a single click. Okay, and this is a this is for circle, rectangle. If you want to like draw this type of uh, design or drawing, you like you can see. Okay, so you can draw like this. Okay, and this is a hexagonal, and this is a circular. Okay, so like you can draw this type of design, and this is a center rectangle, and this is a circle, 3 point circle, and circle using coordinate, circle using tangent, 3 point arc, center arc, and this is the ellipse. Okay, this is the ellipse. And this you can also create a spline from here. Okay, and this is a reference line. If you want to create the reference line, so you can draw like this. And this is a very important tool for provide dimension. So you will use in like when we will create the design. So this tool we will use in the next video also. I will describe in a detail. And this is a fillet option. So you can see, select true corner and you can create fillet. Chamfer you can also create like this. Okay, and this is for trim. If you want to trim any line, so you can trim like this, quick trim this is. And here you can see this is the mirror option, and this is the symmetry, copy, rotate, and this is scale, and this is a offset. Okay, and this is for if you want to, like if you have 3D and you want to create the line, like this is a projection actually. And we will discuss this tool also. So just I'm deleting this time, and I'm taking one circle. Okay, this is a circle, and this is my rectangle. Okay, this is a rectangle. So this is right now you can see white. So we have to like fix with the coordinate. So we will provide dimension constant. Okay, so just double click for the multiple use, and provide dimension like this. And for this, okay, click double click and you can see. After that we will fix with the coordinate. Select one point, select with this coordinate. You can see this line will be green, looking green. Okay, this line is looking green, and fix with this coordinate. You can see, and this is completely green, and it will be not like move after when we will create 3D. If this is not green, like this is like looking like a white, and if you not fix with the coordinate, so sometime it move from the coordinate, and like you are taking dimension 119. If you will remove this constant, so it will be move like 120, 130. It will be uh, happen after the conversion. Okay, so we will provide for this dimension. Okay, you can see this is a single dimension because it is created on the center. So after that, we will go on the part design. So click here for the part design. Okay, so these are the part design tool. Just I'm showing you. Okay, this is a pad. Okay, pad is for extrude. You can see also extrude. Okay, here you can see this is a pad tool. If you will press OK, so it will be converted into 3D. And what length you want to take, so you can take from here. Okay, and if you want to create a mirror, so you can see mirror also, like you can see, and 29 or 30 mm in the this direction and 30 mm in the this direction. If you will create one side, so you can create like this. If you want to like pad in opposite side, extrude in opposite side, so click on like reverse. Okay, reverse direction you can like use like this. Okay, so this is the right way to use this tool. And if you want to provide the thickness, so you can like also provide like this, and you can increase the thickness also. Okay, so just I'm clicking for OK right now. You can see this is going to create into 3D. And after that we will use this tool, and this is a pocket tool. Pocket is also called subtract, and in some software you can see this subtract, and there are so many like name of this tool. So in CATIA this is a uh, pocket tool. So I'm going to take a pocket to create one line on the center. Okay, and I'm taking on this also. Okay, and after that we will provide a dimension like this. Just I'm taking for the reference right now. After that we'll let you know. Okay, this is a pocket tool. Okay, if you will press OK, so you can see this is the pocket tool. Okay, and the third one is this tool is shaft. Shaft is also called revolve. Just I'm showing you, I'm deleting for this now, for this time. Press delete. Okay, click one plane, create a sketch. This is my design. Okay, I'm providing the dimension. Okay, and this is my construction line. Construction line is nothing but just it take for only reference. Just I'm showing you. Okay, so this is a you can take a shaft. Okay, it will create 360 degree. If you want to take like decrease, so you can see. Okay, like press OK, you can see, and just double click, and you can create also for 360 degree. This is also called revolve in other software, and there are so many names. And we have taken the construction line due to this reason without any reference that is created. And if you will not taken uh, const construction line, so you have to provide the center of this design. After that, according to the center, it will draw. So for today we are closing this video. In next video we will see another tool like groove, hole, and slot, multi-section, and many more. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like, follow, and subscribe.